A major tragedy unfolded in the outskirts of Mumbai this morning. At least 8 people are now reported dead and over 50 injured after 3 bogies of the Diva Savantwadi train derailed this morning. The incident took place between Nagothane and Roha in Raigad district near Mumbai. Rescue operations are still underway. Amrita is now joining us with more details from Mumbai. Amrita, first of all, bring us up to speed with the relief and rescue operations as of now.
See, the rescue operation is still going on. The incident took place at 9:25 in the morning, and the latest information which we are getting from local police and railway says that total 8 people are dead in this and more than 50 are injured. There are 4 bogies that are derailed, and so the number of casualties may increase, but now the official information says that 8 are dead in this and the injured nearby hospital. Also 6 ambulances are on the spot and accident relief train is also there. The accident took place at Nagothane, which comes under Raigad district, and so the local police, Raigad and railway police and also railway authorities are on the spot. But rescue operation will go till 5 in the evening. Back to you.
Amrita, what are the authorities saying? Have all the passengers been at least pulled out of the derailed coaches?
See, still there are many people trapped inside, and so the rescue operation is going on, and the officials are on the spot. They are saying that the rescue operation will go around 5 in the evening, because the 1 engine and 3 bogies are derailed. And it's Sunday today, and the train was quite crowded, and because of that, the rescue operation is taking more time. But the local police are saying that the 6 ambulances are there on the spot, and the speedy recovery is needed, and so that they have called more police forces there, and also the ambulance there. The Roha hospital, the injured are admitted in the Roha hospital nearby, but rescue operation will get some time to get completed.
Amrita, what arrangements have been made to inform the people who have passed away in this tragedy, really the family members of those?
Yes, as I said, railway police is there, also local police is there, and some residents from that area is also helping them. And almost more 50 people are injured in this. They are into the hospital in Roha, and 8 ambulances are there, but rescue still going on, and so the not given exact figure of people trapped inside, but 4 bogies are there, and if we talk about 1 bogie, there are more than 60 people in 1 bogie, and such kind of 4 bogies are derailed. So the number of injured and death may increase.
Amrita, also take us through how and when did this mishap occur?
The accident took place at 9:25 in the morning. The train was Diva Roha passenger, which was going from Diva to Savantwadi. Savantwadi comes under Raigad district, and which is the Konkan part of Maharashtra. And the train started from Diva at 9 a.m. in the morning, and the accident took place at 9:25. And because it's Sunday, the train was quite crowded, and so the rescue operation is still going on, but the train was going from Diva to Savantwadi.
Also, quickly take us once again, Amrita, through the rescue operations. By what time do the authorities believe they can wind up the rescue operations? What is the situation on the ground at the moment?
See, the rescue operation is still going on. It started at around 9:45 in the morning, and it will take some time because 4 bogies are there and many people are trapped inside.
Okay.
Till now, 50 people are injured, but many people are here trapped inside, and so the rescue operation will go till 5 in the afternoon.
Amrita, many thanks for getting us those details.